What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do a proper reveal on my 2020 C8 Corvette Liberty Walk wide body. And then after that I'm going to take you guys on over to Carmax and show you guys what happens when you invest money into your body kit, wheels, paint job, see what you get out of it. So let's take you guys on a little tour of the Liberty Walk wide body C8. Obviously the first thing we did was put a Liberty Walk wide body on the car. We went with the 21 inch Rohana wheels. We went with the Paragon exhaust system. This is the touring edition. They have two types, track and touring. We went with a little bit quieter one. They've got about 12 different tips. We went with the chrome tips with the blue on there. I think that was a good touch, a nice touch with the black and the green. We also went with a tint. We went with 5% all around. So we got extremely dark on the sides. We even tinted the back window here just to hide the engine because we wanted the focus to be on the car. And then we took it a little step further and we went ahead and tinted the front windshield. It's set at 20%. It's a little hard to see, not gonna lie, but it looks amazing. We also did a full PPF on the car. It was done by Ironclad over in West Palm. They actually did it in 48 hours. All right guys, so now head over to Carmax. We're gonna see what kind of value they're gonna give us after you put in all these upgrades. And then we got a little bonus for you guys afterwards.
Probably right at the max, like 150, 160.
You think they'll offer 150, 160? What do you think, Frankie?
It also all depends on the appraiser too. If they know what they're looking at.
Oh yeah, that's true too. Yeah.
I'm gonna say like 120.
Yeah. I'm thinking more realistically they're gonna offer like 110, 120, but we'll see. What do you think they're gonna offer your car?
I would say maybe like 150.
Woo. I hope a little more than that. Your max is 160 though?
Yeah, I heard there's a max over. Oh, I don't know if it's 250.
You know, one time I came here, and this is where my F-150 got hit. We put a $20,000 body kit on there, $20,000 paint job, $10,000 wheels, and paid $20,000 over sticker. So we were in like 150, 170. Guys, I messed up. Boom! $57,000. $57,000.
They're giving you money
at least
back
I don't feel that bad.
I think in all fairness,
I think they click C5 instead.
Condition assessed, prior paintwork, prior paintwork, prior paintwork, prior paintwork, prior paintwork, prior paintwork. It's literally all prior paintwork. So.
Yeah, they want to go home early.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a base ass 911.
Yeah,
all right.
With no options.
It's true. They didn't have the GT3 RS in the computer.
So you gotta give me that.
You know what they didn't also have? They didn't have the Liberty Walk wide body in the computer either. First, let's go with you.
Okay.
So you have a 2016
GT3 RS. Yes, it's a 911, but it's also a GT3 RS. Well, you know, they offered me a fair price value of $72,000.
Nice. Oh my God. And what did you just pay for that car?
Well, $210,000.
It's the Monty edition too.
And the Monty edition with the wheels, 7.4 kit.
Yeah. That's about what the price of the kit costs alone.
Yeah.
But, you know, between all the upgrades, you're probably looking at about what it's worth.
Yeah. Yeah.
That was me.
They're just giving you your money back for the kit.
Yeah, it's nice. Nice of them.
All you, man. All you.
Really
All you.
Can't wait to sell it.
What? What?